How to make fast PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT. So what I would do here is I would use the voice diction app and then say something like, help me make a PowerPoint presentation on how to use ChatGPT to make a PowerPoint presentation. And I would I would also make sure to say I am also using a voice diction app, so some words might be misspelled, but please correct them. In the presentation, I wanted to talk about how to pretty much prompt it in the beginning to where if you're unsure what you want to talk about, all you have to do is kind of ramble a little bit. And then as you keep on rambling, ChatGPT is going to take all of it in, and then after that, it's going to make it orderly and structured. So let's say I want this presentation to be about, I want it to be just a quick 3-minute presentation, PowerPoint presentation, just to be shown very quick. And pretty much to describe how you can you don't need to organize your thoughts. You can have ChatGPT and you can use this in a sense of you don't have a lot of time and then you have to make a very quick PowerPoint outline and you have to go and present something. Though I would not recommend to do this if it's like a very serious presentation, but this is a great way to get something in and to get a draft so then you can get something going. And then I think I pretty much got as much as I could in about how to use, pretty much this presentation is about how to use ChatGPT and Voicin to make fast PowerPoint presentation. Then I press enter. And then right now it's made me a titles guide name. This was created using voice to text, so bear little quirks. Slide 1, the idea. Don't overthink it, just talk. As your thought organization, grade through step by step how it works. Open ChatGPT, voice text your ideas. Be honest, just ramble, let it all out. Mention using voice with clarity and corrections. Ask ChatGPT to clean it up. Make a PowerPoint outline. Slide 3, why this works. Voice plus AI, fast drafts. No need to organize thoughts up front. Logically ideal. When to use it, great for quick team updates, idea pitches, brainstorming session. Not ideal for high-stake presentations. Final thoughts, speak your mind, let ChatGPT, a regular ChatGPT chat. And then right now, I hit the download button and we click on this. And then right here, you can see that it made the PowerPoint. It's like how to use ChatGPT voice diction to make a fast PowerPoint. We have here, it's like the idea, don't overthink, just talk, step by step, why this works, when to use it, final thoughts. So pretty much you can do it pretty fast. You can add extra stuff. You can have added a table of content and things like that. But you pretty much make a very fast outline if you really needed to make one.